Hi guys, today we talk about Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. Its launch on September 2024. The dimensions of iPhone 16 Pro Max: height 6.49 inches, width 3.04 inches, thickness 8.3 mm. The weight is 226 grams and the build front and back glass and titanium frame. The display of this device it comes with LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED and the screen size is 6.9 inches and it's come with 90.1% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1.5K and the refresh rate is 120 Hz with 3000 nits peak of brightness and the protection is ceramic glass shield. Let's go to the platform. It's come with iOS 18 operating system and the chipset is A18 Pro 3nm and the CPU is hexa-core. The GPU is Apple GPU 6 cores and the memory of this mobile it comes with 8 gigs of RAM and 256, 512 and 1 TB of ROM. No SD card and nano card support. Let's go to the camera. It comes with triple camera setup, the main sensor 48 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto and a TOF 3D ladder sensor. And it records 4K 60 fps video with main camera. The selfie camera is 12 megapixel with SL3D sensor, biometric and it's record 4K 60 fps video with selfie camera. The battery backup of this mobile it comes with 4676 mAh battery and charging is 40 watt wired, the 50 watt wireless charging and 4.5 watt reverse wired charging. The common and the feature of this mobile it comes with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, Face ID unlocking, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display and NFC NVMe and IP68 water dust resistance. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max price is $1,299.